Oh my gosh, what happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
I raged at Roblox and I begged it, and then I flipped it over and then I tried to fix it, but then it got worse.
It got worse?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this, how bad it is. Wow. Don't worry, I got you. God damn, look at that. We have to deep clean also the back housing as well. Let's see if we can save this iPad. Look at the battery and the main board. Very lucky. Time to fix this. Time to clean this. Look at that. Let's clean the charging port. Damn, look at that. Your iPad is ready, sir. Look at this
Oh
now.
my god, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. Wow.
Looking good?
Looking awesome. Thank you so much. Take a look.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Perfect. Thanks.
Thank
You're welcome.
you so much.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.